Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C53 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down a little bit to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down again, because as you can see here we've got the section where we can change the ringtone for the first and the second SIM card, which is quite a cool option, because as you can see you can assign totally different ringtone for the first one and totally different for the second one. So you can, for example, recognize from which SIM card someone's calling. So let me show you how to change it using the first one. For example, it does not really matter because it works the same. After tapping on it, you can see that we've been transferred to the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top of the list, we've got the option None, and it simply means that after picking it, your device will not notify you about the incoming call with the sound. So you will still be able to see it on the screen, however, your device will not use the sound to notify about that. On the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option Add Ringtone, which simply means that after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, recorded, etc., you will be able to find them and pick them and set them, of course, as a ringtone. But let me pick something from the pre-installed ones, and basically all you have to do is to tap on it in order to listen how it sounds. And basically just do it with all other ringtones, decide which one you like, and then make sure that it is marked and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, it will immediately appear right here. It is notified here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call from the first SIM card. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.